And as Chula Vista kids go back to school tomorrow, we're seeing another spike in COVID-19 cases here in San Diego. And for the fourth straight day, more than 400 cases have been reported. In fact, today, 530 new infections were announced, but no new deaths. More than 98% of the cases through Saturday were people not fully vaccinated, and only about 1% of cases were fully vaccinated people. The county will release new information numbers tomorrow, but as of right now, nearly 70% of eligible residents here in San Diego County are fully vaccinated. And if California were still using its tier-based blueprint for lifting COVID-19 restrictions, San Diego County and 16 other counties would now be in the most restrictive purple tier again. Meantime, the Delta variant of COVID-19 is certainly adding urgency to the vaccine push by health officials and the White House. Our Phil Blauer joins us around the table with this part of our coverage.
Well, Kathleen, on Capitol Hill tonight, lawmakers are mostly united in encouraging people to get the shot. In fact, Representative Steve Scalise, the #2 House Republican, finally got vaccinated on Sunday, citing increasing case rates and hospitalizations.
The safest thing to do is to get vaccinated.
A rare moment of bipartisanship between the White House and Congress, Republicans and Democrats.
And the facts are the vaccine works. If you're vaccinated, you're protected against death, hospitalization, and almost always protected against infection.
Lawmakers are urging hesitant Americans to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Less than half of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated. The easily transmissible Delta variant is now the dominant strain, and in states with lower rates of vaccination, it's causing an uptick in hospitalizations.
These shots need to get in everybody's arm as rapidly as possible.
In D.C., at least one White House aide has tested positive.
We have to stay vigilant.
And in the group of Texas Democrats who fled their state to Washington, at least 6 have tested positive for COVID-19. Despite being vaccinated, a senior aide in House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's office also has the virus after meeting with those Texans. Breakthrough infections are a concern even in the fully vaccinated, but health officials point to it as proof the vaccine is effective, as those who do become infected after vaccination are likely to have little or no symptoms.
We know that there will be breakthrough cases, but as this instance shows, cases in vaccinated individuals are typically mild.
And late tonight, Clark County, Nevada officials announced that workers in Las Vegas will be required to wear masks at indoor public spaces that include stores, malls, and clubs as coronavirus cases climb again in Sin City. Kathleen?
And we know they've been fully open for some time.
They have, yep.
All right, thank you.